Hi, my name's Andrew Jackson. I started working for Amulet Hotkey in the early 90s. Now I've been with the company 20 years. I started working on the factory floor holding a soldering iron. And I'm now the president of Amulet Hotkey in North America.
Yeah, my name's Tony and I'm the sales director for Amulet.
How long have you been at Amulet Hotkey?
I've been at Amulet Hotkey for coming up 2 years.
Okay. Hi, I'm Andrew Pettifer. I'm a senior design engineer here at Amulet. I've worked here for 15 years now, probably.
I design some of the hardware and software for products.
So you're an electrical engineer, is that correct?
Yes, I tend to sit in the cusp between hardware and software most of the time. So I spend a lot of my time working at the boundary between hardware and software.
Good, yeah.
I've learned a lot about the VDI market, which is a cool and exciting place that Amulet's starting to play in. I've learned a lot more about the financial services market, which is Amulet Hotkey's niche market we play in, and some cool and interesting technology.
It's a very interesting place to work. It's quite a small sort of engineering team, relatively speaking. We do some very sort of state-of-the-art technology. It's a very sort of close-knit group of engineers.
So the key things that attracted me to Amulet Hotkey is the technology, firstly. Really interesting tech, but more than that, the people. It's a great place to work, and that comes across right from anyone that you meet within the organisation at any level. Everyone's passionate about what we do. People feel very involved in the technology, they feel involved in the birth of new products, and it's an exciting place to work.
Yeah, so I've worked for Amulet for about 6 years now.
Key for 15 years.
15 years. I think it's because Amulet have always been involved in pretty high-tech equipment, and that's what really interests me. It's sort of doing something new, something different, something that possibly hasn't been done before. Because of that, you kind of get, and you do get involved in many aspects of the business, and that's really what sort of spurred me on to stay here so long, to be honest. So yeah, we do have great access really with Dell engineering, OEM engineering in Austin, Texas. They are our sort of point of contact for all of our engineering discussions. We have conference calls with them very regularly, almost daily.
We've got some very good contacts with Dell and NVIDIA and people like that, and so we do have that sort of flow of information which we can then very quickly spin into sort of very high tech products.
And we're working with the cutting edge of Dell's technology as well. So
What are you working on right now?
At the moment, we're working on the next generation of products for the Dell Blades. They're bringing out a 13th generation PC. We're designing a set of products which will fit into those to add remoting capability to them. Because of the Blades infrastructure, they're quite a specific form factor, custom to Dell, and so we're taking all the things you find on a full-size PCIe card and squashing them into a very small form factor. We've got some very good contacts with Dell and NVIDIA and people like that. And so we do have that sort of flow of information which we can then very quickly spin into sort of very high tech products. That broadly speaking, it's a strange shaped PCIe card.
We take standard Dell enterprise class server products and create specialist high performance solutions around them that involve putting very advanced technology into those products to create solutions that many people, even at Dell, didn't imagine were possible.